Hi, I'm Preston DeGuise. In this video, you'll see how to use the NetWorker command line to find out the NetWorker version and OS details for configured clients. Now there's two common techniques for this: probing the client and getting the information out of the NetWorker server database. We'll start with probing the client. I've logged on to the NetWorker server and I'm using the NSR Admin command. While this command is often used to talk to the NetWorker server configuration database, it can also reach out to client daemons too. The options I've used here tell NSR Admin to connect to the NSR exec program, which is the client program, on the host OA, which is one of my clients. Once I've connected, I'll print the NSR LA resource, which reveals a lot of information about the client configuration. You can see from the NetWorker version string that this is a version 19.3 client, build 21. We can see the OS is CentOS Linux 7.8, that there's two CPUs, that it's a 64-bit architecture, and a bunch of other details about the client, including IP addresses, authorized administrators, and even its time zone. Note that older NetWorker clients may show a little less information. You might sometimes see program numbers used in NSR Admin instead of program names, particularly from longer-term NetWorker users. I'm now connecting to program number 390113, which is the number for NSR exec. Regardless of which method you use, you'll still get the same information though. The other way of getting client information is to review what the NetWorker server has stored itself. To do this, I'll run NSR Admin against the NetWorker server I'm logged into, then ask it to report some key client information. In the same way that NMC has a diagnostic mode to show more fields, NSR Admin by default doesn't show dynamic or hidden details. By using Option Hidden and Option Dynamic, I'll turn those on so I can see these client details I'm looking for. If you tell NSR Admin to print all client details, you'll get a lot of information shown, probably much more than you need, especially on large servers. So my next step is to tell NSR Admin to only show me key details: the client name, Arch for architecture, machine type, OS, NetWorker version, and OS type. Note that there's a colon to terminate each field name, and a semicolon to separate the fields. When I told NSR Admin to print client details, it limited the display to the fields I was interested in. Now some clients may not show complete information. These can be special hosts like vCenter servers and NAS servers, like Unimatrix 001 shown here. In other instances, NetWorker may not get complete details from older client installs, or where the client has been created but the NetWorker server hasn't connected to it yet. So there's two different ways to get client information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the blog for more details.